Welcome back to another Gimp tutorial. This is Bosmic from Bosmic Media, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create a picture inside of your text effect like you see here with the sunset. So we have our city in the background, and as you can see there is a layer over top, but with the text you can see the city and it looks very professional with an outline as well, and I'll show you how to put the outline, but the outline is optional. Alright, so to start this off, so we're going to go ahead and create a new layer or create a new image. We're going to drag our city over. Go ahead and delete our background. Alright, from here what we're going to do is rescale. So I'm going to go ahead and scale this out to 1280 because that's our canvas size, and it's going to automatically scale that as well. So I'm going to zoom out just a bit and fix it to the layers. Oop, scrolled in way too far. Make sure this is lining up. Boom. Awesome. Alright, so we have our city here. I'm going to move it down just a tad. So we have our sunset. Alright, so when you have your picture that you're going to be using as your background, go ahead and create a new layer. Make sure it's transparent. Alright, so from here what you're going to do is grab your text tool and create the text that you would like. So I'm going to put sunset. And we're going to increase the size of this to where we feel like it's perfect. Don't worry about the color. The color is obsolete. It does not matter. So just fix this wherever you would like for your picture, your text to have a picture in it. So with this, what we're going to do is merge down to our new layer. That's the reasoning we made the new layer. Alright, so from here, when you have your text and you're ready to cut it out, what we're going to do is create a new layer. Right click, create new layer. Make sure it's transparent. So for this layer, what we're going to do is pick a color. I will go with a light blue. We'll go with light blue. And we're going to fill the entire picture. Now from here, what we're going to do is change the mode and the opacity. So what we're going to do is go up to the mode and go down to lighten only. As you can see, it's going to add the layer as a lighten only. And we're going to decrease the opacity to about 50%. We'll go 51.1, that's okay. So we're going to drag this layer underneath our text. So what we're going to do is, selected on our text layer, right click on the text, select by color, click the color. So we have our text outline now. Zoom in just a little bit. You're going to go over to your eraser tool. The size for this does not really matter. I usually just make it gigantic, so I can just do one swipe. So you're going to click to your layer, the blue layer, your solid color layer, and with this you're going to simply erase the selected area. Alright, so it does not look like it right now. But from here, what we're going to do is go back to our layer and erase our text. And as you can see, you can start to see the effect here. Now from here, what we're going to do is I'm going to click back to my move. To create a better outline, as you can see, it's with the blue, it doesn't go very well with the sunset and the towers, but you can definitely tell the difference between the text and the background layer. So from here, with our selected text, we're going to right click it, select, and grow. And I'm using a picture of 1280 by 720, so we're going to grow by 5. And with this, what we're going to do is go switch to a black and simply color it in. Now we're going to right click it again, select, shrink it by 10. So you have to multiply. So if you grew it by 5, you have to shrink it by 10. Same thing as if you grew it by 15, you'd have to shrink it by 30. So click OK. And with this selection, what we're going to do is just hit the delete key. And then right click, select none. And when we zoom out, you can definitely tell the difference between our sunset and our city picture in the back. The buildings and the lights are coming through the text, and as well as the sunset part right here. But it has this blue masked layer over it, so it looks fairly good. Alright, so this was how to create a picture inside of your text tutorial for Gimp. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you have any questions, make sure to comment in the comment section below and subscribe for more content.